pull them up, get the handle part. Got a nice zipper. So now you can carry it like this. You can put your batteries and everything and take this, fold the scooter down. And as you can see, there's places for handles to stick out, anti-tipper wheels. So you'll know which way to do it because this will be at the front. At the front. So what I'd probably do is lay it on the ground and just kind of use the anti-tippers to roll it into the bag. So you're never really, and adjusting it as you go. Get your little anti-tippers back here. Never picking the scooter all the way up. Put this over. Yeah, it should have a zipper on both sides. There you go. And then here's your handle. So now you can check this like you would your golf clubs or your luggage if you like, so you don't want to go through the hassle of the airport. There's an opening right here. It has a lot of fragile, handle with care. So hopefully they'll handle these good. I've flown a lot of times with golf clubs. They haven't really done anything bad to it. And this scooter's so light, they should handle it correctly. It's below 50 pounds, which, like right now, which the airlines like. And then this should be able to go over the overhead if you like, or you can check this in also. You probably want to take this with you. But again, you can ride this through the airplane or the airport also, and then take it apart or keep it together, walk onto the plane. And this would be great if you going through the hotel or whatever. So if you have any questions about the new carry-on bag, we have them. Just give us a call or visit us at carryonyusa.com. Have a great day.